questions in last lecture section D is completed. Now next section is question number 1 and 2 आपके syllabus में नहीं है. Question number 3. If the probability that any 50-year old person will die within a year is 0.01, underline die within a year. Find the probability that out of group of 5 such person, number of Bernoulli and is given 5. First question, none of them will die within a year, underline none of them will die. And second question, at least one of them will die within a year, underline die within a year. ओके, यहाँ पे सिमिलर एंड अपोजिट बोथ वर्ड दिया. तो मैंने आपको बोला था जब इस तरह का क्वेश्चन है तो क्या करना है, तो क्वेश्चन में दिया है उसको क्या लेंगे हम, सक्सेस, कंसीडर एज सक्सेस. इट मींस पर्सन विल डाई विद इन अ ईयर एज कंसीडर एज सक्सेस. इसको हम क्या लेंगे, सक्सेस. तो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. Any 50-year-old person, any 50-year-old person will die within a year, will die within a year is considered as success. New line P is equal to 0.01 and is given 5. First of all, find out value of Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.01. Value of Q is equal to 0.99. Number 1, first question. None of them will die within a year. None of die within a year. Okay. So none of them will die within a year. इसका मतलब आप क्या पाएंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 0. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने क्या लिया, will die within a year is considered as success. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, none of them will die within, किसी की भी डेथ नहीं हुई, इसका मतलब 0. अभी आप क्या सक्सेस होंगे, will die within a year. तो यहाँ पे 0 लेंगे, none of will die within a year. तो आपने तो die हो उसको सक्सेस लिया, तो वैल्यू क्या लेंगे, 0 लेंगे, 5 लेंगे. बोलो, डिसाइड करो. सक्सेस क्या है हमारा, die within a year. और 5 लेंगे तो क्या हो गया, x is equal to 5. Everyone will die. And x is equal to 0. None of them die. Clear? क्योंकि आपने सक्सेस क्या लिया है कि कोई भी पर्सन है उसका ही डेथ हो जाती है, उसको आपने सक्सेस लिया है. आपको यहाँ पे ऐसा बोला एक भी पर्सन की डेथ नहीं हो रही, किसी की भी डेथ नहीं हो रही, तो डेथ होती है उसको आप सक्सेस रहते हो, तो 0 लेंगे तभी आप क्या प्रूव कर पाएंगे, एक भी पर्सन की डेथ हुई नहीं है. 0% विल बी डाई. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ, आपका जो पी है और डेथ विल डाई विद इन a year एंड 0% विल डाई विद इन a year. इसका अपोजिट वर्ड क्या है, नन ऑफ विल डाई विद इन. इसका मतलब आपको x इज इक्वल टू क्या लेना है, 0 लेना है. तो राइट डाउन p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0, यानी कि p ऑफ 0 आपको फाइंड करना है. ओके. So formula write down. P of x is equal to NCx into e raised to x into e raised to n minus x. P of 0 is equal to value of n 5, x is 0, value of p 0.01 raised to 0 and value of q 0.99 raised to 5 minus 0. 5 is 0, answer 1. Any digit raised to 0, 1. Okay, using calculation 0.99 into 4 times is equal to 0.95099
दो बार 9
2199
हाँ अरे 0 9 बार 9 हाँ
950 999 तो fifth digit 5 and more than 5. So right, final answer 0.9510. Convert. Final answer right down. 0.951 or 9510 both are valid. None of will be die. It means x is equal to 0. Next, number 2. At least one of them will be divided. At least one. इसका मतलब taking x is equal to at least 1 1 2 3 4 5. तो इससे बेहतर क्या रहेगा? टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 माइनस p of 0 ऑलरेडी आपने फाइंड की है. So let's write down number 2. At least one of them will be die within a year. At least one of them will be die within a year. It is P of x greater than or equal to 1. New line, total probability 1 minus P of 0. P of x greater than or equal to 1 का मीन क्या हुआ? टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 उसमें से 0 का आंसर है. Yes. Now next new 1 minus P of 0 0.9510 0.0490 digit में आंसर शो करना. 0.0496. Write down. Question number 2. Question number 4. We complete here. The probability that a student studying 12th standard of science stream will get admission to engineering branch is 0.3. Underline admission to engineering branch. Admission to engineering branch. Okay. 5 students are selected from the students who study in this stream. 5 students. Number of Bernoulli trials and students. Find the probability of the event that the number of students admitted to engineering branch is more than the number of students who did not get admission to the engineering branch. Underline. The number of students admitted to engineering branch is more than the number of students who did not get the admission to the engineering branch. Okay. Value of x more than or equal to 3. Over. Done. Anyone? Another? One answer. More than or equal to 3. Total 5 students जो इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच में एडमिशन ले रहा है जो नहीं ले रहा है। टोटल 5 स्टूडेंट है ऐसा समझो। ऑल 5 स्टूडेंट एडमिशन टू इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच। तो कितने स्टूडेंट ऐसे में जो एडमिशन नहीं लेंगे? 0। यदि 5 में से 4 स्टूडेंट ने एडमिशन लिया है इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच, तो कितने बच्चे नहीं लेंगे? नेक्स्ट 3 स्टूडेंट है 2 2 1 1 सॉरी 2 3 1 4 0 आपको क्वेश्चन में अब फाइंड करने को क्या बोला है? द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट एडमिटेड टू इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच इज मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु डिड नॉट गेट एडमिशन। जो एडमिशन नहीं ले रहे हैं उससे एडमिशन लेने वाले स्टूडेंट ज़्यादा होने चाहिए। 0 to 5 1 4 2 3 3 2 अब स्टूडेंट कम होगा यानी कि मोर देन और इक्वल टू 3। राइट डाउन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस। So write down first sentence. Student will get admission to engineering branch. Admission to engineering branch is considered as success. Is considered as success. New line P is equal to 0.3. Number of Bernoulli trials is given 5 students. N is equal to 5. First of all, find out value of Q is equal to 1 minus P. Value of Q is equal to 0.7. First of all, write formula for binomial probability distribution. P of x is equal to NCx into t raised to x into q raised to n minus x. Sentence write down. The number of students admitted to engineering branch is more than the number of students who did not get admission to the engineering branch. New line. Find out Q x greater than or equal to 3. Mean p of 3, 4 and 5. P of x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 5. आपको फाइंड करना यानी कि p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5. One by one, in all the value on x is 3, 4 and 5. Write down in big bracket. And number of Bernoulli product 5. X is 3. Value of p given equation 0.3 to 0.3 raised to x. 0.q, sorry, q is equal to 0.7. Value of n 5. Between sign addition. Next step. Value of x is 4. 5c4. 0.3 raised to 4. Another bracket 0.7 raised to 5 minus 4. Next. Plus putting x is equal to 5. 5c5 in bracket 0.3 raised to 5. Another bracket 0.7 raised to 5 minus 5. Now next expansion. 5c3. 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1. Check it. Answer is 10. 0.3 raised to 3 using LC. 0.3 into 2 times is equal to 0.027. Okay. 0.7 raised to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means 2 raised to 0.7 into is equal to 0.49 plus another bracket 5c4 expansion. Answer is 5. Okay, 0.3 raised to 4. 0.3 raised to 4. 0.0081. 0.7 raised to 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1 raised. As it is. 0.7. Plus 5c5. 1. 0.3 raised to 5. 0.00243. And last 0.7 raised to 5 minus 5. 0 raised. Answer 1. Next, using calcium 10 into 0.027 into 0.49. 0.13 50 check करेंगे घटाओ 5 more than 5 so add 1 plus 5 into 0.0081 into 0.7
0.028
4 fifth digit 5 more than 5 so convert and last 1 into so as it is 0.00243 as it is last final answer addition 0.163 right down. Final answer number of students admission to engineering branch more than the number of students not admitted to engineering branch is 0.1631. Fine. The probability that a bomb dropped from a plane or a bridge will hit the bridge is 1/5. Underline. Bomb dropped from plane or a bridge will hit the bridge. Underline. Will hit the bridge is probability 1/5. Two bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. Minimum 2 bombs enough है ब्रिज को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए. ओके, पूरे का पूरा ब्रिज डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए 2 बॉम्ब इनफ है. मिनिमम 2. ओके, और फिर मैक्सिमम 3, 4, 5 अबाउट 2 आएगा तभी भी ब्रिज को डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. क्योंकि ब्रिज को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए सिर्फ 2 ही बॉम्ब इनफ है. ओके, लेकिन 3, 4 जो कि हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी वो सभी में ब्रिज डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. कंटिन्यू. If 6 bombs are dropped on the bridge, number of Bernoulli trials n is equal to 6. Find the probability that the bridge will be destroyed. Underline. Bridge will be destroyed. Same words opposite. Same. So x क्या है? More than or equal to 2. यदि 2 bombs से bridge destroyed हो रहा है तो more than 2 से भी होगा. तो 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये सभी की आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है. यदि टोटल 5 की प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं फाइंड करें तो क्या करेंगे आप? 0 and 1. 2 की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करो. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 1. उसमें से लेस. राइट डाउन सेंटेंस फर्स्ट. The bridge will destroy. The bridge will destroy. Is considered as success. New line P is equal to 1/5. N is given. Number of Bernoulli trials 6. Find out value of Q. 1 minus P. 1 minus 1/5. Answer is 4/5. Write down formula. P of x is equal to NCX into q raised to x into q raised to n minus x. Sentence write down. Two bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. 2 bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. New line. P of x greater than or equal to 2. P of x greater than or equal to 2. ये हम क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं? 1 minus P of x less than 2. Okay, less than 2 it means 0 and 1. 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1. ये आपको 0 and 1 की फाइंड करके और में से लेस नहीं करनी हो तो आप मैंने बोला उसी तरह से greater than or equal to 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 सभी की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करके आंसर एडिशन करके यही आंसर आएगा. पुटिंग वैल्यू x की प्लेस पे 0 and 1. now next step 1 minus in big bracket n. Value of n is 6. 6 is 0. Value of p 1/5 raised to 0. Value of q 4/5 raised to 6 minus 0. Bracket complete. plus next value x is equal to 1, 6c1, value of t 1 upon 5 raised to 1, value of q 4 upon 5 raised to 6 minus 1. Next, expansion 1 minus 6 is 0, answer 1. Any digit raised to 0, answer 1. 4 upon 5 raised to 6 minus 0, 6 raised 4 raised to 6, 4096. Check it. 4 raised to 6, 4096, and 5 raised to 6,
15,625.
15,625. 5 raised to 6. Find out. 5 into 5 into 6 times 1, 5, 6 to 5. Plus 6c1. 6. 1 upon 5 raised to 1. As it is 1 upon 5. 4 upon 5 raised to 6 minus 1. देखिए रेशो आपकी हो गई अब 5. तो 4 raised to 5. 1024. Check it. 4 into 4 times is equal to. Okay, next 5 raised to 5. 3125. Next step 1 minus 1 into 1 into. The answer as it is 4096 upon 15625 plus 6 into 1 into 1024
6144.
6144. 5 into 3125.
15,600.
Denominator same, so LCM. Numerator addition 4096 plus 6144. 1 minus addition
10210.
1
0210.
210 upon 1 5 6 to 5. Is it decimal? 10 40. यदि आपको यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेने में दिक्कत आ रही है, आप डिवाइड करके डेसिमल में आंसर लेस कर सकते हो 0.4 आफ्टर पॉइंट. एलसीएम 1561625 minus 10240 upon 15625. Numerator difference find out. 5385. यदि आपको डेसिमल में आंसर राइट करना हो तो आफ्टर पॉइंट 4 डिजिट राइट कर सकते हो.